Two-factor authentication 2FA adds an extra layer of security to your Discord account. This guide will walk you through the steps to enable 2FA on your Discord account. Step 1. Open Discord. Launch the Discord application on your device or go to the Discord website and log into your account using your username and password. Step 2. Access user settings. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use sRock to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Navigate to the Security tab. In the User Settings menu, find and select the Privacy and Safety option from the list on the left. Scroll down until you see the Two-Factor Authentication section. Step 4. Start the 2FA setup. Click on the Enable Two-Factor Auth button. This code will prompt you to enter your password again for verification. Enter your password and proceed. Step 5. Use an Authenticator app. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up 2FA using an Authenticator app such as Google Authenticator or Authy. Scan the QR code provided or enter the code manually. Once set up, enter the verification code generated by the app to complete the process. Once you've completed these steps, two-factor authentication will be enabled on your Discord account, enhancing your security. Remember to keep your backup codes safe in case you need to recover your account in the future.